65 and above before diving deeper into this game-changing development. Please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell but to stay updated on the latest Social Security news and benefit information that might impact your financial future. The landscape of Social Security benefits is on the verge of its most significant transformation in decades. As we move into 2025, lawmakers have introduced a revolutionary bill aimed at addressing the growing concerns about retirement security and the financial well-being of America's senior citizens. But what exactly does this mean for you or your elderly parents? Let's break down this groundbreaking proposal that is currently making waves in Washington. The new bill, which has gained substantial bipartisan support, introduces a dramatic increase in monthly Social Security payments, potentially reaching up to $4,250 for eligible recipients. This isn't just another minor adjustment. It represents a fundamental shift in how we approach retirement benefits in America. You might be wondering why such a significant increase, and why now. The answer lies in a perfect storm of economic factors that have been brewing over the past few years. Rising inflation, increasing healthcare costs, and the growing life expectancy of Americans have all contributed to an urgent need for reform. The current Social Security system, designed decades ago, simply hasn't kept pace with today's economic realities. When was the last time Social Security benefits saw such a meaningful increase? The typical cost of living adjustments colas we've seen in recent years, while helpful, have not been enough to keep up with the real cost of living for many seniors. This new bill aims to change that dramatically. Moreover, the proposed $4,250 monthly payment isn't just a random number pulled from thin air. It has been carefully calculated based on extensive research into the actual costs seniors face in today's economy, from housing and health or to food and transportation, representing what experts believe is necessary for a dignified retirement in 2025 and beyond. One of the most common questions I receive is about who exactly qualifies for these new payments. The bill specifically targets Americans aged 65 and above who have contributed to the Social Security system throughout their working years, but there is more to it than just age qualification. The proposal includes a sliding scale that factors in years of work history, previous earnings, and current retirement income, ensuring a fair and tailored approach to benefits. It's crucial to understand that if this bill passes, its implementation is scheduled for March 2025. While that might seem like a long wait, it provides the Social Security Administration ample time to prepare for such a massive change and gives you time to adjust your financial planning accordingly. Now let's address the big question. How will this be funded? The bill proposed via several funding mechanisms, including adjustments to the payroll tax cap and changes in how Social Security taxes are collected from higher income earners. The goal is to ensure that these increased benefits are sustainable over the long term, without placing additional strain on working Americans or the federal budget. What makes this bill particularly noteworthy is its lifetime aspect, unlike temporary increases or one-time payments seen in the past. This $4,250 monthly payment would be permanent, providing seniors with the security and predictability they need for long-term financial planning. Imagine what this could mean for retirement planning, having a guaranteed substantial monthly income that keeps pace with rising costs for those wondering about existing Social Security benefits. It's important to note that the new system wouldn't replace current benefits entirely, but rather enhance them. Recipients already receiving Social Security payments would see their benefits adjusted upward to meet the new thresholds, provided they meet eligibility criteria. The bill outlines a phased rollout beginning in March 2025, designed to minimize disruption while ensuring that those most in need receive increased benefits first, even if you're not immediately eligible for the full $4,250. There are provisions for gradual increases over time, including specific measures for married couples to ensure fair treatment of household income and prevent any unintended reduction in combined benefits, an important factor for couples planning their retirement strategy. While this proposal might sound too good to be true, it's important to note that the bill is still navigating the legislative process, meaning there could be modifications and amendments before its final passage. Staying informed about these developments is therefore essential. Additionally, the bill includes provisions for future cost of living adjustments to ensure that these enhanced benefits maintain their value over time, addressing one of the biggest criticisms of the current system. that benefits often fail to keep pace with real-world inflation. For those concerned about the long-term viability of the Social Security trust funds, the bill incorporates measures to strengthen the program's financial foundation by adjusting how funds are collected and distributed, aiming to extend trust fund solvency well into the future. A particularly important consideration for younger workers worried about their own retirement security. In preparation for these potential changes, it's advisable to stay informed about the bill's progress through reliable sources. Review your current retirement planning to see how these changes might affect your financial strategy, and consider consulting a financial advisor to optimize your plans. The bill also addresses early retirement benefits by including specific provisions for individuals who began collecting Social Security before age 65, ensuring fair treatment, even though the full 4,250 monthly payment targets. Those 65 and older, furthermore, for U.S. citizens living abroad who collect Social Security. These new benefits would apply equally, maintaining the program's commitment to all eligible Americans, regardless of where they reside in retirement. Recognizing that healthcare costs are a major concern for seniors, the bill is designed to help recipients better manage their medical expenses, especially those not covered by Medicare, potentially serving as a game-changing solution for many struggling with out-of-pocket costs to ensure proper distribution of these enhanced benefits. The Social Security Administration would implement new verification procedures designed to streamline the process and maintain program integrity, even if that means additional documentation is required for those still working. Past age 65, the bill includes measures to ensure they are not penalized for continuing to earn income, reflecting a modern understanding of retirement where many choose to work longer or engage in part-time employment after traditional retirement age. The potential impact on local economies could be significant, as seniors with increased disposable income contribute to boosting economic activity, creating a multiplier effect where funds recirculate within communities. In addition, the bill coordinates with state-level senior benefit programs to ensure that these increased federal payments work smoothly alongside existing state supports. An essential consideration for many seniors who rely on additional state assistance. Addressing sustainability. The bill's architects have incorporated funding mechanisms aimed at ensuring long-term viability by adjusting Social Security tax collection and investment strategies to maintain the program's financial health for future generations. Beyond financial and administrative reforms, the bill allocates resources for education and outreach programs to ensure that eligible seniors fully understand their benefits and know how to access them, which is particularly important for reaching vulnerable populations who might otherwise be left behind. Although the March 2025 implementation date might seem distant, it is important to consider how these changes could affect your retirement timeline. Especially if you are planning to retire in the coming years, there is also a technology component, as the Social Security Administration would receive funding to upgraded systems, leading to improved online services and faster processing times for benefit applications and adjustments. Ultimately, if passed, this bill could represent a fundamental shift in how we approach retirement security. In America, setting a new standard for ensuring seniors have the resources necessary to maintain a comfortable lifestyle in later years. As we wrap up this comprehensive overview of the potential new Social Security benefits coming in March 2025. Remember that staying informed is crucial. These changes could significantly impact your retirement planning or affect your elderly loved ones. Subscribe for the latest updates on this developing story and other important retirement news. Like and share this information with anyone who might benefit from knowing about these upcoming changes, and feel free to drop your questions in the comments below. I will be monitoring the discussion and addressing your concerns in future updates. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more detailed analyses on significant developments in retirement benefits and financial planning as this groundbreaking legislative process continues to evolve.